Lord, move with me. Lord, move with me through the shadows of my life. Move with me through the valleys, mountains, and deserts. Lord, many are they who rise up against me, and many are they who say, "Haha, there is no help for her in God." But they don't know you, Lord. They don't know you are my shadow and my secret place. They don't know you are my strength and the lifter of my head. Great is the Lord and greatly to be praised. You are my shield and strong tower. You are my source and fierce defender. So, Lord, make my enemies like the ashes, forgotten, burnt, and utterly destroyed. Make them reap continually of their wicked ways, and make them fall into the pit that they made. Lord, elevate me above my foes and strengthen my hand to work and my back to carry all you ask of me. Lord, grant me the wisdom to navigate this path and discernment to avoid those that mean no good. Lord, who is the King of glory? You are the King of glory. The Lord strong and mighty. The Lord mighty in battle. I will lift up my eyes to you and run to the hills from whence cometh my help. For you are my help, my strong tower and mighty in battle. Lord, I will enter your gates with praise and be forever thankful. Amen.